Hi, I'm Paul Tapia with Auto Parts Warehouse at SEMA 2017 with Newark Auto. The upholster, and you go all the way back to Woodrow Wilson you took?
That's correct. Woodrow Wilson was one of our customers, came through on his way going to one of the universities where he was at that time a professor.
Unbelievable. Well, listen, if you have a classic car, particularly a Corvette, and you need some replacement carpet, Ben and Newark Auto, he's the man. Tell us about it.
Well, we've been doing Corvette carpets for over 50 years now. They are not what I would call duplicate of original. They're good quality replacement carpets for your driver that you want to look nice. We make them in different colors. We make them for the different year groups, as you can see, and they fit right in. They're cut and sewn, so they're shaped to the floor. The carpet has a nice, easy texture to it, so it's easy to install. They're not really stiff and troublesome.
Yeah, which would probably be the OE duplicate. It'd be like, oh my gosh, what have I gotten myself into?
They can be a little bit tough when they're stiff and hard in place. All the carpets come with a heel pad on the driver's side, cloth binding on the pieces that have exposed edges so that when it sits in the car, it looks finished, and we put a 20-ounce heavy-duty padding underneath all the driver pieces so that there's a nice cushion underneath to protect you for heat and sound.
All right, so what if I have an imported classic car?
We do the same type of thing. For the MGs, the Triumphs, or even the other types of vehicles, Fiats, we do the exact same thing. They're all multiple pieces because that's the way they were original, and they're all made in multiple colors, and they drop right in. You install them, the padding is underneath the main floor pieces, again for the heat and the sound, and the edges are bound, so everything looks finished once it's installed and done properly.
All right, that's Ben from Newark Auto, and they're carpeting for classic Corvettes, replacement carpets, and imported classic cars you can find on Auto Parts Warehouse. I'm Paul Tapia, and in just a few minutes, we're going to take a look at replacement carpets for domestic classic cars.